AlBOROSIE.
We're on the set of
Surrender to Your Love. Boom! Bam!
Lord.
Blaze up the fire. Hey, I, AlBOROSIE.
Fireworks, a judge works.
Single song.
I surrender to your love, oh baby.
Oh my empress.
Surrender to your love, oh darling.
Okay, I'm Lindsay, and today we're shooting the AlBOROSIE and I video for Surrender to Your Love, which is a love story. So basically, I and AlBOROSIE come from the same community, right? I secretly likes AlBOROSIE, but she's trying to pretend. Because you know us girls have to pretend we don't really like them, whatever. So she's pretending she don't really like him, but him not pretending because him like her. So basically, she's an innocent girl, very pure. She's in her garden, she picks her flowers. I'm giving my interview. She picks her flowers and she's riding, and she rides past AlBOROSIE's gate. AlBOROSIE stops her, tells her to come over.
You look so good till I thought I was like, I don't want us wicked.
She cheat for me already, me gone on me yard. Yes, sir.
I wanted to thank all my fans who are supporting me, watching all that is taking place. All the crew members, Dexter, Lindsay, AlBOROSIE, Specialist, Tony Fisher, Errol, Ryan, Dylan. I mean the whole crew. They just done a fantastic job, and I would like to give my love to them.
Hi. Number one.
A judge works.
Single song.
I surrender to your love, oh baby.
Oh my empress.
Surrender to your love, oh darling.
Oh baby love.
When I look into your eyes, Lord, I can't deny the love I feel for you. I will abide.
Well, this is I, and you have just seen me falling off the bike, fitting in my room. You know, AlBOROSIE and I on the steps,
We mash it up, and now we're going to weekend to do the next chapter of the fabulous video Surrender to Your Love by I and AlBOROSIE.
Very much so. Blessed.
This is a sign from the sky. This is something that's incredible right now.
Blaze up the fire.
Rasta, I went in there. Now I'm going with the fire, man.
Yeah, what's up? This is me, your girl Chris Kelly. You don't know, aka Double K. You don't know, I'm on the set behind the scenes of AlBOROSIE and IeYe music video. You don't know, it's all about Surrender to Your Love. Bad video. Trust me, big up Dexter Passenger, big up everybody on the set. It's gonna be crazy. Just look out for it, your girl Chris Kelly. Mad.
This is Richard Steven, I don't know it already now. Chilling on the video shoot with AlBOROSIE and IeYe. I'm a singer. See it? See Aria? Ready for the world. Richard Steven telling her that. See? A big song, big shoot. I don't know it go with there end us. Full.
We're now finished with the video with I. Where's Albo? He's gone. We're done. It's beautiful.
Yo, people, don't know say Dexter Passenger direct the IeYe and AlBOROSIE video. My first time working with IeYe. Never worked an AlBOROSIE video before, but definitely it a go big, it a go large, it's gone worldwide, Europe, Japan, what we say?
Yeah, Europe, Japan, and US.
Alright, don't
Mad.
know. This is the end, that's a wrap, we are finished, we are out!
Blaze up the fire. Take this song.
I surrender